Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Lingga Nur Hasana.
Hello, my name is Azifa Mumtasafana.
Hello, my name is Rahmawati Fitra Aziza.
Today we are going to podcast interview Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Happy watching!
Hello everyone and welcome back to our podcast. Today is a very exciting episode because we have two amazing guests from one of the most popular movie of all time, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Please welcome Daniel Radcliffe and Emma Watson.
Hi, thanks for having us. Hello everyone. I'm Daniel Radcliffe.
Hello everyone, it's great to be here. I'm Emma Watson.
We're so happy to have you both. First of all, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you for the host, and it's always fun to talk about Harry Potter.
I'm here. It's wonderful to look back on those memories.
Okay. That's great to hear. Let's start from the beginning. Daniel,
Yes?
how old were you when you got the role of Harry Potter?
I was around 11 years old, and at that age, I didn't fully realize how big the movie would become.
Did you immediately say yes when you were offered the role?
Absolutely, I was excited, but also very nervous. And playing the main character in such a big project feel like a huge responsibility, like that.
I can imagine. Emma, what about you? How did you get the role of Hermione?
I went through several auditions. I love reading books and learning new things, so I felt connected to Hermione's personality.
Oh, that's interesting because many fans say you were perfectly for the role.
Yes,
Thank you, that means
that's
a lot.
true. I like she's Hermione.
A few moments later.
Okay. Before filming start, had either of you read the Harry Potter books?
Yes, I had started reading them and really enjoyed the story.
I had reading the books too. They were already becoming very popular, so I was excited to be part of the film adaptation.
Okay.
Just then.
Okay. What was your first day one seatly?
For me, honestly, I was nervous. There were cameras everywhere, and so many people were working in behind the scenes, like that.
I felt the same way, but everyone was very supportive, so we became comfortable quite quickly.
Did you become friends right away?
Pretty much, yes.
We spent so much time together that it was impossible not to become friends.
Okay, that's nice.
Later.
That's nice. Fans always love hearing about your friendship. Speaking of fun moments, what was the funniest thing that happened during film?
Okay, for me, there were a lot of funny moments, and sometimes we couldn't stop laughing during in serious scenes.
That's true. There was time when we had to repeat scenes because we kept lagging.
Good. Okay, I think every movie set us those moments. Now, let's talk about Hogwarts.
Yes.
The castle looked incredible in the movie.
Yes.
What was it like seeing the set for the first time?
Okay, for me it was magical, and walking into the great hall felt like stepping into another world like that.
I remember being completely amazed. Everything looked exactly how I imagined it while reading the books.
If Hogwarts were real, what subject would you want to study?
I chose defense against the dark arts.
I probably enjoy charms and transfiguration.
2,000 years later.
Does sound like fun choice. Now, Daniel,
Yes.
many people dream of playing a wizard. Did you enjoy using a wand?
Definitely, it was one of the coolest parts of the job.
Emma,
Yes.
did you ever wish you had Hermione intelligent in real life?
Of course, Hermione always know the answer. I wish I had that level of confidence sometimes.
Oh, same here. Let's talk about challenge. What was the hardest part of making the movie?
For me, is memorizing long scripts because that's so for many, and while balancing school and filming was challenging.
Okay, for me, it was staying focused during long filming days. Sometimes we spend hours working on one scene.
Okay, but all the hard work paid off. The movie became a huge success. How did you feel when you saw people reaction?
That was it was unbelievable because we were just kids making a movie, and suddenly people around the world knew who Harry Potter was.
The support from fans was amazing. We felt very grateful.
Next, why do you think Harry Potter remains popular even today?
Okay, because the story is about friendship, and then bravery and believing in yourself.
I agree. The characters grow and learn important lessons that people of all age can relate it.
Okay, the movie became a huge success all around the world, but for people who have never watched Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, why should they watch it?
Okay. Okay, I knew it. That's a great question. I think people should watch it because it's a movie that has something for everyone, and there is adventure, friendship, mystery, humor, and of course, magic.
I agree. The story is not only entertaining, but it also teaches important lessons about bravery, kindness, and believing in yourself.
Yes.
I think viewers of all age can enjoy it.
Yes.
That's true. Every great movie has something special. So, next, what do you think is the most interesting thing about this film?
Okay, for me, it's definitely the magical world. When people watch the movie, they get to experience Hogwarts, magical creatures, spells, and many exciting adventures.
I think the characters are also very interesting. Each character has a unique personality, and viewers can find someone they relate to. The friendship between Harry, Hermione, and Ron is one of the best part of the story.
That's true.
Okay, if a listener only has one reason to watch this movie, what would that reason be?
You're the first.
You.
Okay, for me, to experience a magical adventure that you'll never forget.
To see a story can combine friendship, courage, and imagination in a beautiful way.
Wow, that's wonderful.
3 hours later.
Next, do you think the movie is only for children?
Okay, for children, maybe not at all, although the main characters are children, and the story can be enjoyed by teenagers and adults as well.
Exactly, many adults love the movie because it reminds them of the importance of friendship and never giving up.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, if you could describe the movie in one sentence to convince people to watch it, what would you say?
Okay, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone is a magical journey that takes you to a world full of wonder and adventure.
It's a heartwarming story about discovering who you are and finding true friends along the way.
Ah, those are great answers. Okay, I think many of our listeners will want to watch the movie after hearing that.
Okay,
End of flashback.
Before we finish, I'd like to ask one final question.
okay.
Okay, if you could give one piece of advice to young people, what would it be?
Okay, I want to talk to camera, right? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to try new things because you never know where an opportunity might lead.
And believe in yourself and keep learning. Knowledge is one of the most powerful tools you can have.
Okay, wonderful advice. Thank you both so much for joining us today.
Okay, thank you for having us.
We had a great time.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
And thank you to everyone who listened to today's podcast. Don't forget to follow us for more exciting interview. And don't forget to watch
Harry Potter, the Sorcerer's Stone.
Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Did you immediate? Ya, baca we kedua. Halah bae ah, bismillah.
Did you immediate now?
Immediately itu.
Oh, nggak bisa ke atas lagi.
Enggak segitu. Of hearing about your friendship.
Working on one since.
Sorry.
Mana sih?
Dos.